Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker. I actually have the same brand, but this model is much lighter. It's much easier to carry while having almost the same sound quality. It also comes with a mega bass button, which is pretty crazy. Inside the box, we will find two wireless microphones, a remote control, a power cable, and a manual. The screen will display your battery level, and it lasts approximately 4 to 5 hours. This is my old one. It has some wheels, but it's still very heavy to carry around, especially on the stairs. This new model, I can just use the handle to carry around all over the place. The control panel is also prettier with the LED lights, while having many customizable functions. This Bluetooth speaker also have a USB mode, a micro SD card mode, a line in, and also a FM mode. You can play around with the manual equalizer, but it also has 5 preset equalizers for you.
Bluetooth mode. USB mode.
The Mega Bass doesn't have a sound, but you will know when it's on.
Heard you're going on a journey. Your route is laid out plain. Going where the sun shines every day. No more heartache, no more pain. Don't pack those bags too full, my friend. Make sure you're traveling light.
Have fun playing with them. I'm not good at this, so I'm gonna leave everything at the middle.
Keep you warm at night.
Rock. Fashion. Classic. Country. Jazz. Smooth. Rock. Fashion.
You ever wanted to go?
Classic.
Good times roll real slow.
Country.
I could be singing this song.
Jazz.
I could be singing
Smooth.
long after you're gone.
The next channel.
Most requested song, the Montreal Hit 40, number 25.
The next channel.
Saison 2021 comme le...
Partout.
comes with two pretty good quality microphones, but you can connect two others. I think having this kind of a speaker is pretty essential if you're hosting an event, a karaoke party, or just put some background music during happy hours. This is a great speaker with many functions, a great sound quality, and a deep bass. It also comes with 10 preset lighting that is pretty sleek. It is very easy to carry because it's very light, but don't be fooled, you can host a medium-sized party with hundreds of people without any problem. If you only need it for a few hours, you don't even have to find a power outlet, just set it up anywhere. Sing, talk, have fun with this speaker, or should I say, this PA system. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you guys next time.